Thinking about starting a YouTube channel but don't want to show your face? You're not alone. In this video, I'll break down the top 5 best faceless YouTube niches that you can start today, even if you're a complete beginner. These are profitable, beginner-friendly, and perfect for staying anonymous. Let's get into it. Number 1. AI tools and tutorials. This niche is exploding right now. Everyone wants to know how to use tools like ChatGPT, Google VO, and Sora, but very few people are explaining them well. You can create simple tutorials, tool comparisons, or productivity tips, all using screen recordings and voiceovers. No camera needed. The best part? You can make money through ads, affiliate links, and sponsorships. Number 2. Motivational and self-improvement content. People are constantly looking for motivation and ways to level up their life. In this niche, you can share motivational speeches, quotes, and mindset tips using stock videos and AI voiceovers. It's powerful, evergreen, and has massive viral potential, especially on shorts and reels. Number 3. Top 10/list videos. These are classic for a reason. You can cover topics like top 10 unsolved mysteries, weird facts, or strange events in history. All you need is royalty-free footage and a script. These videos are highly bingeable and they're perfect for building a loyal audience quickly. Number 4. Finance and passive income. Now if you're looking for a high CPM niche, this is it. Talk about side hustles, investing, or how to save money and you'll attract an audience that advertisers love. You can monetize through ads, affiliate marketing, and even sell your own digital products. And number 5. Relaxation and ambient channels. This one is perfect for passive income. Just upload relaxing rain sounds, lo-fi music, or ambient fireplace visuals. You don't need a voice or script, just loop your content and let it play. These channels rack up watch time fast and can earn money even while you sleep. And the best part? All of these can be done completely faceless. You don't need expensive gear and you don't need to be on camera. Pick the niche that fits your style and just start. If you want help choosing tools, script templates, or editing tips, drop a comment and I'll be happy to check.